early on, I was getting compliments on the quality of the audio I was doing for my very first YouTube channel. And that's all attributed to clicking this one studio sound button here in Descript. What if you could take average or maybe even crappy audio and turn it into something that sounds like it came out of a studio? Well, you can. In Descript, it's one click. Inside Descript, I have a composition with two scenes. It's basically the same recording twice. So let's have a listen. I'm recording this outside where I have birds chirping, crickets doing whatever crickets do, I think. I don't know. Cars going by, all kinds of noises happening around me. Sounds pretty rough, huh? Well, we'll take a copy of that recording right here and we'll click this one button, Studio Sound. It's applied, and now let's try again. I'm recording this outside where I have birds chirping, crickets doing whatever crickets do, I think. I don't know. Cars going by, all kinds of noises happening around me. Pretty cool, huh? Let's hear that difference back to back. So here's a little bit of the original. I'm recording this outside where I have birds chirping. And now with our one click of Studio Sound. I'm recording this outside where I have birds chirping. Now you can still hear those crickets a little bit in the background, but it is far less distracting than the original audio. And we're outside, so maybe a little bit of ambient noise is to be expected. And I don't know how you could completely remove that.
Because it can't be done.
Now, another little trick with Studio Sound, once you apply it, again, it's only one click, but you'll want to listen through your audio or the video, the audio to your video, whatever you're doing there. You want to listen through that. If there's any places where you notice a problem, you can make an adjustment here to Studio Sound by just clicking on it. And then there's an intensity slider here, so you can control how much of the effect the AI applies. Now, in this case, it did fine. I don't really need to adjust that. But sometimes you'll listen and you'll find maybe it muffled something a little too much or whatever. So you can come adjust it here and say, don't do 100%. Let's back that down maybe to 70, 80, 50, 40, pick any number you want and apply however much you want. For the most part, when I apply studio sound to my projects, whether it be a podcast or a YouTube video or whatever I'm doing, I click the button and that's that. It works just fine. And I've gotten compliments on my audio, even though I have no idea what I'm doing with audio. Especially when I started, I had no clue. If you haven't tried Descript yet, there's a link in the description. And they do have a free plan, which is more than enough to find your way around, see whether you'll like it, whether it's going to work for you or not. Full disclosure, I may receive a small commission if you end up making a purchase from any of my links, but it doesn't cost you a penny more, and I certainly appreciate it.